she's up there. What I did, I made a template for the 4-link cradle. So I'm thinking like right there. And then that's a ladder bar. It's just temporary because it needs ladder bars ASAP. Template. So tell me what you guys think. Ladder bars going up front too, and then you know, there's 2-wheel drive. So basically, just gonna put a drop case right here in the cradle, probably like an 18-inch, whatever I can get a good deal on. Because right now my drive shaft's not in far enough, and it's slinging fluid. You know, every time it's turning, it's fluid's coming out, so it's got to be addressed ASAP. Because I think I'm getting axle wrap. You can see the blocks. There's like 12 or I haven't even measured them. 14-inch blocks, and that's all that's you know in between the axle and the suspension. So. I really feel that the axle's wrapping and making the problem even worse. So that's what we're going to do here. And then, let's see. Yeah, got to put some kind of a sway bar up front there. I'm getting the death wobble really bad in this thing. And or a pan hard bar, whatever is going to be my best for this scenario. It's got a 3-inch body lift. And I believe it's about 15-inch suspension lift, 14-inch suspension lift. So a total of 17 inches with the 5.9 V8, 360 cubic inch. Dana 44 Chevrolet front end, half ton. I'm going to be switching those out to military axles here as soon as I can get my hands on a decent price set. I'm going to try and get the both steer axles so I have 4-wheel steering as well. Yep, that's why they call it a project. So, alright guys, awesome plumber. Tell me what you guys think and any ideas you guys might have, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.